Hello students, I'm going to show you how to use the Polar Cloud. The Polar Cloud is a management system for the 3D printer that can be managed by your teacher, so you can queue multiple prints and your teacher can print them all on the same one or manage it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to polar3d.com and we're going to log in and create an account. From there, we have some join codes here, and this is for your teacher and this is for students. You're going to join. From there, you'll see all of you in our class, and teachers can upload. You can upload your print to 3D Polar Cloud, and then your teacher can make them. So she'll go to my outgoing requests and she'll see them all here, and she'll be able to manage them and print them throughout the day and put them all on the same build plate if they have to. So again, here's that website, polar3d.com. We can see the dashboard and we can see everybody that's joined. Your teacher can use this code and you can use this code to join. Then we can click make, and you can see, or excuse me, design, online designs. We can see here's some ways to upload using Tinkercad. I would use Tinkercad to build your object and then export it to the Polar Cloud, and then your teacher can manage it on here. If you have any questions, reach out. Good luck and happy printing.